Today we will show you our new model CR3000 common rail injector stroke measuring tool stage N, stage 3 and scanner. This is our model CR3000. It can as a stage 3 to compare the injectors and also as a scanner to detect the errors of the car. Firstly, we will introduce our stage 3. It can measuring the stroke for Bosch, Denso, Durfee, Cut and Cummins injectors for Bosch injectors. It will show you how to replace the parts and how to repair the injectors. It will show you the measuring method by photos. And for Denso injectors, for Denso X1, G2 and G3 injectors, for Denso G2 injectors, for example, to replace the valve plate, it will show you how to repair it, the pictures and the text. And Durfee injectors. The Cat injectors. The Cummins injectors. It is also can work as a scanner to detect the errors of the ECU in the car. It can work for these cars. These accessories for the stage 3 stroke measuring tools, and these connectors for the scanner. Now we will show you how to measuring the stroke for Denso injectors. Firstly, choose the Denso injector. We use the Denso G2 injector. We will show you how to replace the valve plates. Here we will show you the pictures, how to repair, and the correct parameters for repair. Here's the text guide. If you are beginning to repair the injector, you can all by these steps. Step by step, you can repair it. Our CR3000 with the USB and the injector. complete repairing the injector, here we'll suggest you the schemes for how to install the valves. You can buy this suggest to install the correct valves. And next, it will tell you how to clean it and completely complete it. We will show you with our CR3000 model to detect the car as a scanner. To connect the Bluetooth with ECU of the car. This car is JAC diesel engine. After connection the Bluetooth, can choose the correct engine. Bosch. Choose the correct EDC model of the car. It will show the system information, the trouble code, and date list. Here will show the problem of the car. If no problem, this car is fine works.